microphone. Let's go. Lights, 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 microphone. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Should be light now. Okay. All right. Hello, hello. Just checking if everything is all right with different publishings on different social media. And we should get going. A bunch of things to do today. Bunch of things. Yeah. Just gonna set up VS Code and stuff like that, and then we'll get going. First, GG's to you. There's going to be plenty for now. All right, all right. Okay. Obviously. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I shouldn't open my BI keys like that. The LeBron James of streaming. Can you explain that one though? Why LeBron James exactly? If it's a bad joke, I'm sorry. I don't get it. Yeah, I'm focused. I do have a lot of work to do. And why not stream it and answer a few questions? Or react to a few good jokes of my good friend Adrian. Football, but one time oh. Okay, with a signed picture of probably an American football player, but average, and the guy said it was the LeBron James of soccer. Now I know. Now I know. Good stuff. And I am the LeBron James of streaming. Makes sense now. It does. Great. Oh. Yeah. We'll see that later. Yeah. Okay. Why am I putting 2 L's? That's skills. Is that 2 L's? Yeah, there's 2 L's. Jesus. Yeah. You put a big L. Replaces the 2 L's. True. True, true, true. True, true, true. Hmm. Nice. VS Code theme name. I think this one is Horizon. I'm not sure. Let me check. No, this is not Atom. This one is installed, but I don't use this one. It is. I think it's Horizon or something like that. Let me check. Color theme. Yeah. It's Horizon something. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Horizon. One, two, three, four. Yeah. Hmm. That should work though. Oh no, it doesn't. Hmm. Yeah, it actually should just be an object, not an array. Yeah. Got the array with one object. Yeah. Just noticed that. Thank you. And I obviously need a key. Yeah. Yeah, that's better. Thank you. Great. All right. How much of your career do you owe to Larry Tesla? Even so, copy pasting. A lot. Like a lot of developers, a lot. Let's not lie to one another. A lot. Larry Tesla. Let's check him out. Larry Tesla. Tesla, an American computer scientist who worked on computer interaction. This is Xerox, Apple. Oh, is he the one who did the like how was that called? Demo Zero something? Like is he the inventor of the mouse or something? Like his head remind me of something. Early career, Xerox Park. But yeah, I owe a lot to this guy. Adrian, thank you for this moment of culture. Thank you very much.
Sometimes in water, there is the sound, which is what we have found to be somewhat like love when concentrated
Hmm.
with the correct color of black Kool-Aid.
Welcome. Thank you. Yeah, it's way smaller.
No sugar daddy. No sugar daddy.
We will not check out Rocco Freddy on this stream. Ain't no way. My career is way too early to have a TOS strike already. It's too soon. Way too soon. I know who he is, obviously. Who doesn't at this point? If you don't look him up. Please. I don't want to be at the origin of that. Okay.
Sometimes in water, there is the sound, which is what we have found to be somewhat like
Making progress.
the correct color of black Kool-Aid. Perfectly perfect. No sugar daddy.
Mm-hmm.
No sugar daddy.
Making progress. We good.
Sometimes in water, there is the sound, which is what we have found to be somewhat like love when concentrated
Not last shot. This is what I'm looking for.
with the correct color of black Kool-Aid. Perfectly perfect.
Amazing.
Sugar daddy.
This is great.
No sugar daddy. No sugar daddy.
Nope.
No sugar daddy.
I keep forgetting. What is the jury the streamer on Twitch
No sugar daddy.
that, how can I say it properly? A beautiful moment with her boyfriend. Even, yeah. I saw that. Like, this is This is so revolting. Like, Adrian, exactly like a few days ago, you asked me, like, why YouTube and not Twitch? And, like, stuff like that as well. Like, this is so terrible. So terrible. I hate that story. Hate it so much. Boom. Oh, Jesus. Let's check her out. I can't remember her name. Who did that already? The name of the streamer? Alt-Shift-O? No way. No. Oh. Cut line, copy line, insert line, jump to... Go to end of line. Control end? What is end? Oh. There's a good at the end of the page. Oh, it's just end. Okay. Okay, please. Boom. Nice. Progress, progress, progress. And Thanos glove. Shift end. Thank you. Great. Make some wonderful progress. Okay, well, we can consider this and that all done. What's next? We can take a little bit of WebGL, we could do that. That's supposed to be on the bottom end corner. As well, I still don't understand what my monkey is upside down to. We'll check that out someday. Make sure going back through your HTML and re-tag your code for more accessible tags, section, article, etc., stuff like that. It definitely cleans up the code visually too. That's an idea. It is an idea. What, for example, though? I guess on the philosophy aspect of things. Yeah, I could do better. I agree. Not the best Not the best HTML programmer, if we could call HTML writers programmer. Yeah, not the best HTML writer. There you go. Some comments are better than others. Yep. It's being on the structured content, yeah. Somehow it is a headache for me too. Like, there are so many tags in HTML that you are supposed to use, but really, like, you can get ahead with just divs, essentially. But I agree, even in terms of SEO and stuff like that, like, it's way better to use the actual ones. But yeah, I could like refactor entirely my code and just go through like every single thing that needs to be a section and stuff like that. Sounds like a hassle, though. What can we do now? We didn't do the actual yeah. Let's take up the footer. Yeah. It's crazy how just streaming, like, just that, like, you know, we are laid back a little bit, like, we are not like exchanging that much stuff like that. Like, it still stresses me out to be live online in front of viewers, because like I am so afraid to make a mistake or like just look dumb, essentially, typing certain stuff. One, two, three, four, five. Let's see if I can do that with some keyboard magic. First of all, boom. Jesus, nope. There you go. I don't have a Twitch anymore. Let's put TikTok now. Not profesh enough. And also TikTok is just like yeah, it is essentially just Instagram. I just repost things there. What can we put instead? Let's leave it out for now. Okay. Oh, we already have been live for an hour. Time freaking flies. Let me tell you that. Think, Marius. Goodness. Yeah. I should really code like in the morning, not in the afternoon. I should do other stuff in the afternoon. Like my brain is fried. Hey, Marius, big fan. Thank you. Love your awards course. Portfolio is looking great. Did you study web design at all? I really like your use of grid here. Let me record that just to be sure. I'm going to reread it out loud. Got this question on chat asking, "Hey Marius, big fan. Thank you very much, Connor. Loved your awards course. Portfolio is looking great. Did you study web design at all? Really like your use of grids here." So my journey through school. What did I do? Right after high school, I was supposed to do either two things, either medicine or what you could call preparatory classes. It's something that I think is like well known in France, but not really abroad. Like in Canada, they didn't know at all what I was talking about. But I was supposed to do something that would then lead to an engineering degree. But a few months before finishing high school, I have heard of this thing called an MMI. Essentially, like it's a 2-year school where you learn about communication, design, and development. And so there are multiple ones in France, and according to where you go, it is a little bit more specialized in communication or in design, stuff like that. And mine was more specialized in development. And this is in there that I think out of the 4 different schools that I did, I learned the most. This is where I got a little bit of knowledge about web design, a little bit about typography, a little bit about development. Like it was just an introduction to a lot of things without going into too much detail. Like I didn't do something like similar to Bauhaus, sorry, very bad pronunciation, Bauhaus or anything of the sort, I would say. But yeah, this is my journey. Web design, like I learned everything by myself, if you could say so. Like I take a lot of inspiration here and there. Like just what web design is in general. Like you just take inspiration and like what you like and try to mix things together till they work. But yeah, this is what I did to learn a little bit about web design. Yeah. Thank you for your question, by the way. Let's get back to coding. Yeah, use of grids here. I never took the risk to use grids before. It was always very, very simple what I did. But yeah, I wanted to try this out. Good old five column thingy. Yeah. I'm trying. Yeah. Awesome. Thanks so much, mate. Keep up the great rate. Thank you. Thank you, man. Really appreciate it. And thank you so much for buying the course. KRE, hello. I see you like often on stream, KRE. Really, it's really nice to see you. Do I know you though? Because like I obviously don't know that YouTube name. But did we exchange or anything before? Because you are a viewer. You've been here a couple times already. Don't get me wrong, I love it. I love it. Yeah. Nice. You mean that, son? Are you talking to me or KRE for the name? What's the name of Elon Musk's son? Well, one of Elon Musk's son, X-A12, I think. Just a student that bought your awards course, haha, and loving your process and all that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Grid columned, and this is, so these are the in links. So 1, 2, yeah, 2 to 3, I think. No, this is going until 6, yeah. 1, 2, 3, and this one is 3 to 4. Workshop content, perfect. Oh no, this is 1 to 2 and then 3 to 4. Yeah. Better. Nice. Oh, shouldn't we use... Actually... Yeah. UI in links. Huh. We could just create another one called outlinks. What's the syntax again? FNC? CNF? My god, what's the syntax to create a function component? Oh, Mikey, hope you are doing good, my guy. It's been a while. It's been a good while. How are you? Let me change music for a sec. RFCE. There you go. Thank you so much. This is what I was looking for. Like basically that, yeah. but I do not need that. Yeah. Yeah, that should work. Should work. Actually, I can also import that. Yeah. There you go. Jesus. That should work. Obviously. Module cannot be found. Yeah. Great. And that goes to Instagram. Perfect. But that should be, though, this target. And now it should open it in a new window. Great. We good, we good. We're making progress. Uh-huh. Boom. And boom. Yeah. Like the button originally was just in the in links to have access then to the link directly into React. I wanted to have the button on it because it has already the good the good old CSS that I wanted. But recreating that with the outlinks, I'm like, man, you know, why not? It just works, right? We are not shooting for best SEO ever. This is not what we are looking for. I am sorry in advance. Like, yeah, code is going to be cringe. I am sorry. If you're an HTML purist, unfortunately, if you're a purist anything, this life is not made for you. I am sorry. I am sorry. Nothing is pure about... Yeah. Nothing is pure in here. Nothing is purist in here. Like, a guy actually, like, a few days ago... wait, was it yesterday? No, it was Friday. A guy came on stream, SolidWorks professional, maybe he's here somewhere in the chat, hello to you, was cringing so hard at me trying to move around in freaking SolidWorks. I understand, sorry, just my eyes are bleeding right now. I understand, but my guy, it's alright, grab your coffee, lean back, you're gonna be alright. You're gonna be alright. This project is for two reasons only. Trying to learn React, not HTML. and yeah, have something to show for upcoming internships next year. So yeah, am I going to go to oh Jesus, maybe I say, are you serious right now? Yeah, am I going to go with to Boston Dynamics with this portfolio? I don't know. Is it going to help? It's going to be better than not having one. Is having a better SEO going to help me? I don't think so. It's going to be linked in a mail. They're going to open it once, and it's gonna be alright, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Don't worry. When it works, it works. Sometimes. I understand, not always. Are you a full-time developer or something? I guess. I guess you are. Yeah. Great. We do make progress. This is nice. I was debating with myself the other day, do I include a smooth scroll in this portfolio? And if I do, should I do it right now and like engineer my different components around it? Or should I wait the end and try to move around the different bugs that I have and try to implement it? Or do I do not put any smooth scroll at all? I don't know, because like smooth scroll, yes, they're nice, but I don't know. Like smooth scrolls sometimes, like to me, they feel a little bit too juvenile. I don't know if you get what I mean. Yeah, front-end dev in agency. So I care about accessibility SEO. Makes sense now. Makes a lot of sense. Qui peut le plus peut le moins. Adrian, thank you so much for this wisdom that you offer us today. Moi, je dis toujours qui peut le moins peut le plus. Working doing some awesome. Do I do that in multiple lines? What is that? Did I put a line break in here? Oh, I did. Nope. Fat no. I'm not going to do that. Whoa, how did you make the animation in the background? I guess you're referring to that 3D stuff? Please confirm, Tyler. Oh yeah. In the philosophy part, this H2 doesn't work with the line break. I do not like it. So it's just something like that. Yes, that one. This is done with threejs, a WebGL engine that allows you to do real-time 3D on the web. If you would like to learn more, well, for example, this is also with what I did, my current portfolio animation. Oh, my portfolio is down. Fat no, it's just like fat phobic. Watch your language. Jesus Christ, Adrian. Yeah, this doesn't work because I did do stuff with my API key on the table. Let's fix that. Just a sec. GitHub.com. Let's do a quick fix. I'm gonna have that for just a sec. While that is going, let's put you back here. Okay. To answer your question, Tyler, this is done using WebGL. You've heard of it before, and yeah. You can learn about that like a lot of different places online. threejs Journey is an amazing course by good old Bruno Simon. And I did a course myself. Wink wink, plug just for you. Shameless plug. Let me put it in the chat somewhere. Oh, is the website down again? Oh, okay. Boom. And boom. This is where you can learn all about WebGL. Portfolio, no, I don't want a 2022. I want the 2020 version. Which one is it? Need to fix that. Netlify. Let's go back here. Whoop. Okay. I suppose smooth scroll is great when used in instilling scroll position to animations. Of course, if you want to do any good in awards, and please, it's churches. Yeah. Hashtag ad. Exactly. Oh, I now have access to 100 gigabytes of bandwidth? That's great. I want to see all my sites. Here's my portfolio. Oh, there you go. What is the repo? Would you prefer using native WebGL or library like 3 or OGL? So that's a wonderful question. I did try to create my very own. Are we still live? Okay, yeah, I thought it was bugging for a sec. I did try to create my very own WebGL engine, if you could say. Like you could do like basic WebGL without even yourself like trying to organize your code and whatnot. You could do that for certain things, but it is really interesting, like mathematically speaking. It really is, like, it teaches you a lot about matrices and transformations and rotations, stuff like that. Different types of cameras, lighting, shading. This is all amazing to learn. But nowadays, what can you do with native WebGL that you cannot do with threejs? Really, like, usefully speaking. Obviously, like, purists in my chat are going to, oh my god, you cannot do it, performances aren't the best on you. Okay, oh my god, okay, leave me alone. Like, really? You really need that much optimization on your website? Come on. You're just doing something that reacts to sound, you're going to put it on your portfolio and call it like a site of the day. Jesus Christ, leave me alone. threejs. Have access of plenty of things. Maybe I am the dumb one in the situation, maybe I am. But Jesus Christ. Yes, it's enough. Yes, it's enough. Come on. For me, like, doing native WebGL is just like asking a chef to cook you a meal, but you also ask him to build his own oven and his own tools. Like, you just like give him like a fucking wood log and tell him like, also carve out your spoons to be able to cook. Like, bro, nah. You go buy your utensils. threejs has everything. Come on. That was a tangent. Sorry. What was I looking for? Yeah. On ret repo, deploy from GitHub. There you go. Nice. Limo, great analogy. I know, right? Like, it works. So this is that portfolio. Feels like it's really nice to know what's happening under the hood of threejs. Exactly. It's nice, like, to, yeah, also, like, it was pretty useful to rebuild a WebGL renderer from scratch, because, like, it really helped me with shaders. I was struggling at first with custom shaders. Now, like, I know my way around a few mathematical processes and stuff like that. But yeah, other than that, like, if you are starting out, if you think to yourself, like, even before learning threejs, like, should I learn before WebGL? Like, do I need it? You don't need it. You don't need it. Like, again, like, it's just a purist talk once again. Like, you want to get into web development? some would say like, get to know assembly beforehand. Like you have to know register stuff like that to be able to. No. Go to your favorite YouTube channel, type in web development 2020, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. That's it. That's all you need. Come on. Don't go too deep. Like design patterns, stuff like that, like from the start. No. Take your time, you're gonna be alright. Okay, I wanted to fix my portfolio. Where is it? And I'm just going to reclone it. Boom, boom, boom. I'm sorry, I will not be able to show you that because I need to replace an API key. Code, boom, boom. Oh, already exists. Nice. 04 2021 portfolio. There you go. Going to do this and go there. But yeah. All right. Git pull. Already up to date. Perfect. Store Airtable. There you go. This is the wrong API key. I need to change it. Then we'll find this somewhere. Here. There you go. Boom. npm start. Yeah. Don't bother. This is what I mean. Don't bother. If you are curious, please go. And it is amazing for you. You don't need it. Hot take, you don't need it. But yeah, that cooking analogy, love cooking analogies. They're the best. Most relatable, yeah. Oh my god, this takes so long. Building packages. Dancing to good old house. For the people who are here, thank you for joining in. Like the lives are feeling more and more crowded and I am able to speak with more and more people and this feels amazing. Okay, come on now. What's taking so long? Can I use this is outdated? Please run the following npm update. I don't care. Just build. Thank you. Jesus. Advanced. Yes, I want, even though it isn't safe. Okay, now it works. Perfect. Boom, boom, boom. Git add. Git commit. Updated API key. Git push. How is everyone doing, by the way? Back to school time for some of us. Who in this chat is a student in here? I'm intrigued. Updated, nice. Is it building again? Yes, it is. Let's just wait for that to happen. Installing npm modules. Good, good, good. Building. Almost there. Good script success. Site is live. Nice. Now if we go there. Great. To come back on your question, Tyler, this is, for example, what I used for this intro on my current live portfolio. And also what I used for those particles effects and stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah. In the process of learning shaders via threejs, of course. Any survival tips, Marius? So you have the freaking Bible. Do you know this? This is life-changing. Read it. Fucking read it. The Book of Shaders allowed me to understand a bunch. Though it is only for 2D shaders, like it gives you the mathematics tools to understand a lot of it. Learning shaders is tough. Like, you will have this moment when it just clicks, like you understand how it works, and like you get the different ideas and stuff like that. Because like, for me, shaders, like, I wasn't expecting to need to know that much about mathematics going into it. Trigonometry is a big one. Is a big one. If you still have them, take your high school math classes, go back to trigonometry and do a bunch of exercises. One thing that did help me though as well, in Blender, node editing for texture, that also allowed me a lot to get to know shaders. But the Book of Shaders, amazing project. Amazing project. Amazing project. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Back to our normal program. What did I want to do next? Math class. Yeah, math class. Exactly, math class. How long have we been live? Let me check. We've been live for almost 2 hours. That's nice. Oh, average viewer duration, 420. GG's everyone. We made it for the meme. And then if we go to projects, this link doesn't work. Why is that? Oh yeah, I am done with that. Boom, 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 boom. Let's get back to coding. What was I looking for? Oh yeah, on the home page. Next page, next. Props, text. Nice. And link. Well. Props.link. This is what we're going to do. Will something like that work? Hope so. Yes. Let's go. We can take care of that actually. For example, let's go to the different views and implement those. For example, into projects. At the end of that, next page, and where do we want to go in there already? In projects, workshop. Nice. By the way, I always recommend to read WebGL fundamentals. Yeah, I do agree. Because it personally helped me so much to understand and made me a lot better in many aspects of 3D. I do agree. WebGL fundamentals is an amazing website. Because like shaders, the book of shader allows you to understand a little bit more about the math aspect of it just for 2D. But WebGL fundamentals really explains to you like rasterization and what really WebGL is and stuff like that. Like this is really nice also to get good at shaders. I would call that a classic as well. Thank you for the little remind notes, Anatole. Yes, it's not implemented, obviously. Can I do... Boom. Workshop. Nice. Boom, the homepage is done, and content. Nice.
Sometimes in water, there is the sound, which is what we have found to be somewhat like love when concentrated with the correct color of black Kool-Aid.
Okay, and finally, contact. I want to go to the home page. Nice. Wonderful. What do you guys suggest for in-app page transition? I don't know what exists. Like I saw a few things like Framer, I think, to do those, but I don't know what's the best option out there. So if you guys have any suggestion, please tell me. And also a simple store, like data store. That would be nice as well. Someone suggested me ZooStand? ZooStand? I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. This. I don't know what you guys think of that, but apparently, like, yeah, this is a really nice, simple store. Something that would resemble a Vue store. Because I love Vue's way of managing storage. I love that. But yeah, ZooStand. Gonna use that. I don't know what you guys think of that. For the connoisseurs out there. Alright. Jesus Christ. Adrian, if you're still here, don't you have a meme to suggest today? It would be nice for a little break. I need a break. Oh. I'm really happy about the progress so far. I am. Something that I would like to do too, maybe we should work on that on stream, is to code a Node.js script linked to OBS to basically automatically publish a tweet, a story, and a LinkedIn post about me going live. Because right now, like every time I do it, like I take maybe 5 to 10 minutes setting up my different, let's say, ads on different social media to say that I'm live. And I would like to have to code a bot to do it for me. I know that a Twitter bot is really, really easy. But I know that Instagram's API, used it in the past, sucks ass. And I don't know about LinkedIn. And I don't even know if LinkedIn has a public API. I hope so. LinkedIn Post API. Post API. Nice. Okay, this is my, yeah. Permissions, stuff like that. Oh, goodness. Woo. HTTP, yeah. Posts on there. Put the author of the documentary. Okay, do you have like JavaScript web tokens or something? Author, organization, sample text public. Lifecycle published. Okay. JSON, there you go. Yes, I say JSON, not JSON. Makes me laugh every time. Deal with it. Visibility, public, distribution, content, media. Don't you have an API key or something? Okay. That looks easy enough. Share on LinkedIn. There you go. But like, don't you have an API or something to send? That's it? There's no way. Obviously, there is no way. It's a powerful platform. I don't care. Need something authentic. Oh, okay. Authenticating members. Turning in for application first time. You need to follow authenticating with OAuth 2.0 guide. Any API uses OAuth 2.0. Use standard protocol for authorization to framework. Okay. Interesting. Requesting permission name, remember social, description requires you to create a LinkedIn post on behalf of authentication number. After successful authentication, you will be acquired an access token, there you go, that can be used in the next step of the share process. If your application does not have permission, you can add it through the developer portal. Cool. So let's say I'd like to create an app. I am already, yeah, nice. Simple application makes it easier to get started with LinkedIn apps. Simple application are ready to use code examples that you can use to try RESTful API calls to LinkedIn API. Cool. Nice. I would like, though, Node.js examples. Sunny Valley, California, obviously. So your app name. Live alert bot. LinkedIn page. This action can be undone once your app is active. The company name or LinkedIn company. Or LinkedIn. What? This is just me, right? With associated with your app. Verification can be done using the page admin. Please note this cannot be a member profile page. Why? Why? I hate you. Okay, we'll see that later. What about publish Instagram story API? I don't think this is possible. You can do content publishing. Share stories. Sharing stories, you can allow your app's users to share your content on Instagram. Yeah. This will not allow me to actually post a story on Instagram. There is no way. Yeah, and then there is the obvious Twitter post API. Simple stuff. Yeah, API Twitter uses OAuth 2.0 as usual. Yeah. Obvious, easy thing. At least it will be able to, yeah, like that would be a good way to start with APIs, like publishing APIs, using the Twitter bot. This would be the simpler thing to do. I think we're going to end stream soon, guys. We made some great progress today. Really happy about that. Got some nice questions. Still have obviously a lot of work to do, but really happy about that. Yeah, really happy about that. Thanks for the help as well. For the different people who were here to help me out. Always appreciate it. Guys, that is it for me today. I'll talk to you all very soon. I'm gonna get going right now on the part 4 of the streaming highlights of the 3D printer. And yeah, that's it for me. Thank you all very much for tuning in. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Goodbye, everyone.